This is Stephen Munson, the world traveler. We're in the White River National Forest, and we're gonna go camping, cooking, and sleeping under the stars. Baked beans, elk burgers, cowboy cookies, and we're gonna have a blast. Let's go. I'm going into the White River National Forest. Very first thing I did was clean this out. I didn't video it. I cleaned this out because it was full of just, you know, old firewood. I saved these couple pieces because they look all right, but the rest of it was junk. Then I set up my tent, set it up over here. It's beautiful out, right there, by the flowing water on the soft grass. Okay, we got it. Tonight's dinner menu. We're gonna have bacon, elk, burgers, no bun, but we're gonna have tomato, avocado, jalapeno, onion, baked beans, and I've never tried these before, but some mac and cheese. How good does that menu look? Just finished getting the bed all set in here. I mean, okay, so that's all set. Fire's over there, it's going. Oh yeah. I've just realized I don't have a can opener. And I got to have these beans. All right, perfecto. We're in there. Boom, shakalaka. Oh, yes. I had to get the beans. I'm gonna throw the bacon on now because the whole purpose of this, I want to eat it, but just to flavor the pan. While that's getting going, I'm gonna prep up a little dessert. Love some good old brown sugar. A little bit more. So just a little bit of this. Don't need much. Whoa. Now we're gonna use baking soda, baking powder, and flour. 1 teaspoon. Oh my goodness, I might just skip dinner. I gotta wash this out real quick. That's ready for dinner. Need something to, oh, this'll work. Just to tend to the fire. Look at this cookie dough. That is... Let's get everything ready for dinner. Look at the cookie dough. The cookie dough is exploding. That's amazing. No. Poor baby. Look at this beautiful tomato. Just. That's. I did them. Oh, what? This thing is perfect. Let's check the bacon. Unbelievably good. Mm. Okay. Now, we're going for it anyhow. Time for a little cheese. Got a nice little block of cheese here. Whoa. I've never tried this before, so I'm taking a massive risk, but I've got some pickle juice I'm gonna throw in here. I don't know. We'll see. Time of the dinner just so it's right at sunset. This is that white cheddar. Figure out if I need anything else. Got a little water in there. Look at that. That is so marvelous. Oh, those are gonna be so good. Gotta clean this bad boy out. No better time than now. Let's see what we got going. That fire needs to get cleaned up a little bit. It's roasting pretty nicely. The mac and cheese is done. And this, we got elk, carrots, baked beans, cheese, jalapenos, onions, garlic. Thank you, Lord, for this beautiful meal and this wild ride. All right. Like, I don't want to brag or nothing, but this might be the very best, like, I've ever had. That is good. Oh, just like that. Now, I used to think I would just rock this like some dinner or something. I'm wearing this no dinner. I'm wearing this out here. What? It's cookie time. That's plenty. Here, just enough to close the lid. Okay. Never done this, but it'll work. That, my friends, is how you bake cookies. Let's check these cookies. I gotta get them out of there. All right, I don't want to mess this up. Super peaceful. I think it's about movie time. I'm gonna watch the stars, and the stars are coming out now. Oh yeah. Time to watch the stars and lots of stars. It's dark, it's peaceful. I'm going to bed. I know you can't see much. You can still hear me. Good night, sleep well. It's so beautiful out here. I wish you could see it. I don't really know how to show you anything. I'm right here at my tent. I'm gonna get in here and go to bed and call it a night. I hear the birds chirping. Oh, good. I can see some sun. It's been frigid in here, so I'm grateful that I can see sunlight. Hopefully it's a nice sunny day. So I gotta get up, get moving. It's probably still pretty early. It definitely was cold last night, colder than I thought, but I slept pretty good once I got to sleep. So let's get the fire going. I am so happy to see the sun shining. I slept on the other side this time, so yes, yes. It's a big victory. I wish every time I woke up the sun was like that. I usually wake up too early. Life is pretty simple when you're camping. You basically just want somewhere to sleep, some warm fire, something to cook stuff with, and some food and water and stuff. So looks like this fire burned to the ground. Come on, baby. I'm liking this jet boil for coffee and tea. It's real simple. Just crank it on, heat it up, and let it ride. That's all you do. Let it sit for 3 minutes. Ooh, that's gonna be strong. Ooh, that's a kicker roast. That's just, honestly, that's how you gotta do it. Look at that, it's so strong. Some heavy whipping cream. It's gonna be good. Woo! About waking up in nature, it's like it just kickstarts you, you know? I love it. I love the mornings out here. I love the evenings. I love it out here. Let's enjoy, let the adventure begin. Let's enjoy the coffee and just gonna sit here and soak it all in. Time to go to the office, get a little work done. This coffee's still kicking. It was only half full and it's still a quarter full. It's powerful. All right, let's head to the office. It's really only about 15 miles or so. I'll clock it this time. We're leaving at 9 o'clock, so we'll see what time we get there. These are the narrow roads. You gotta be careful that there's no moose, especially if you're walking, because the moose like to use these trails, so they'll much rather run you over and kill you than get off the trail. Welcome to Aspen. So we've been driving 22 minutes. Just got into Aspen city limits. Got about 3-4 more minutes. I'll be at the house. Get all prepped up and win the day. Yeah, buddy, just come jump right on in here. All good. There's the library. This kid's booking it. Get it done, brother. 27 minutes. I'm home. So, time to get unpacked, organized, cleaned, on the computer, and work. It's time to work.